Hey guys, and today's tech tip is do not overfill your tanks, and I'm going to let you know why. First off, you have an evaporative system. This evaporative system is very important. Reason it's so important because you have harmful vapors to the environment which escape if they are not contained by the evaporative system. And in your evaporative system, they are, in short, pulled through your fuel tank, through some vacuum lines and so forth, in through your intake, and through a charcoal canister. The charcoal canister, which they would pass through first. Once they pass through it, they go into your intake and they're reburned. So your car reburns them, so they're not wasted. So when you top your tank off, you hear it click, let it stop. Don't keep it going, don't start it back up, just let it go. Because this charcoal canister, I'm telling you what, you will see, you will destroy it, and they're worth hundreds of dollars. So hey, don't waste your money, save it. And besides, you're protecting the environment. Not to mention, I'll just get straight to it. Hey, we don't want to waste money for fuel. And the fueling stations have something which collects those vapors once it's full and reroutes it back into the fuel station's tank. So the fuel station has to play its part too, not to hurt the environment. So you're not getting anything really out of it, and your car uses these vapors to create the combustion process. So make sure you guys do not top off your tank. Thank you guys with today's tech tip here at Nate's Interactive Auto. You guys have a great day.